Yada yada and yada abroad. We hope this year catch you in a good mood. We are excited, we're pumped, we're expecting to do great things this year. But before we get into all of that, I want to remind you that our Platinum Day is coming up April 6th, the week of April 6th. So if you do not know anything at all about Platinum Day, you should know. That is the time you're able to make your purchases and get free shipping on any amount of packages. Yes, no conditions do apply. So, no matter where you are in Jamaica, say you're done by Moko and you want to get your items to you, there is no problem to get your items to you. We're told, for instance, that persons like in Westmoreland think that, hey, they're not able to get their packages because they have gone on the internet, on Instagram or YouTube and see that we're doing deliveries in the urban areas. But yes, we are able to reach you through our strategic partnership with Knotsford Express and Zip Mail. I am certain you are living within a few minutes away from a post office. And if you are, it means then we can reach you. And that is through our partnership. Check out our coverage map. Impressive, right? It shows that we are just minutes away from you. Yes, we are. Go ahead, make your purchases. It doesn't matter where you are. The post office is close to you and Knotsford Express is close to you. We'll get your packages to you. Don't worry about it.